Yep. Psycho. Ah. Oh wow, that wind is blowing a gale. Holy moly. I think something's tapping my rod. We just got one fish.
So Hoda's still fishing in the rain. Dedication. I'm sitting in the car. I've got the rod hanging out the boot. Drag's pretty loose at the moment, just in case it goes off. But have a look at that. Dedication.
We're in Darwin, Northern Territory. We've come for Humpty Doo Barramundi to tour the farm, but we thought we may as well tap on a couple of days and go barramundi fishing to see if we can catch the iconic fish. Now I'm a happy camper. We're in the wet season. Crazy, I know. But we are known to be nutters. At this stage, we're not going to do a catch and cook because we're just limited with the resources and equipment that we have. But what we'd rather do is showcase the local cuisine that's on offer in Darwin.
All right, guys, we finally made it. Where are we at? East Point?
I think it's East Point.
East Point in Darwin. We're just gonna walk around the shoreline, flick around. I'm gonna use a soft vibe. What are you gonna use?
I'm still deciding.
She's gonna decide what to use, and then we're just gonna go for a walk and flick around and see what we can get.
Yep. It's really hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. I'm using an Arrows Atomic with a Stratic C5000. I've loaded this one up with about 30-pound braid, and I've got 50-pound leader. I know it's a bit heavy, but you never know what you're gonna catch. Hood is using the, it's like a shallow diver. Heard green and orange colors work really well up here, so we'll give that a go. I'm gonna go over there. All right, here looks like a pretty good spot. Let's get down here. Let's go. I wonder if it's slippery. If anyone's from Darwin, let me know where's a good land-based fishing spot. I just saw this one on Google Maps, so I don't know how good it is. I don't know how deep it is, but you know, just gonna give it a bit of a crack. All right, again, just using a soft vibe, using red and yellow today. I did a double uni knot. Just want to see how we go. Lol, how soft is that sand? How's it going? Yeah, probably not the smartest idea walking here with shoes.
Yeah, funny the sand just...
Yeah, it sinks.
It's sort of really soft on top, but you don't go any further, you only go about that far and it hits sort of a hard thing, so...
Yeah, I think so. That's what I'm going to do, yeah. Alright.
Move so quick though, so yeah,
we'll see what happens.
Yeah, just have a go.
Alright, cheers mate, have a good one, see ya. Look how low it's getting already. I've only been here for about 45 minutes and it's, look at it, who knows, but we'll be vigilant. It's very shallow. Okay, look, there's a bit of a weed patch there. I cast it straight into it. Please, 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 yes, yes, yes.
We're here at the Darwin Trailer Boat Club. We've just stopped in for lunch because we've been out in that hot sun just flicking the rods. Right guys, so we got our lunch. It's a deep fried gold band snapper with a beautiful crunchy apple salad on top, and we've got a side salad and some chips. Can't wait to dig in. It actually looks so crispy and delicious. Yum. Okay, so I'm trying the golden black flats wraps too. See how we go. Seems nice.
Well, Fishos, that's it for today. Unfortunately, we didn't catch anything. Got hit a few times, but nothing. We got the donut. So tomorrow we're off to Humpty Doo Barramundi farm. Hoda's been invited out there, so we're going to go check that out. And then in the afternoon, or maybe midday, we'll go fishing. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Well, we just finished an amazing tour. It was such a refreshing tour with Humpty Doo Barramundi. I've worked with these guys maybe a few months ago, but to see the whole farm from beginning to end, I can't even describe what an experience that was. Also very informative. Now, these guys take pride in what they do. It's a family-owned business which has developed and grown over several years and is achieving amazing things. You know, just from seeing how much love, care, the dedication each employee has in the work that they do, the quality that is produced on the farm. I'm lost for words. Like, honestly, you go to the shops and you want to choose a great barramundi or a great piece of fish, but really to understand where that has come from, you know, it just makes you appreciate what you put on your dinner table just that little bit more. Such an amazing experience. I want to thank everyone at Humpty Doo Barramundi for allowing us in. I think I'm just going to spread the word. Go and get yourself a Humpty Doo Barramundi and taste the quality today.
We decided to head back and take a stroll through town to find some lunch. Although our itch to catch a fish was too strong, so not long after, we were back on our way to throw a line in.
We're at Fishermans Wharf in the Northern Territory in Darwin, and it is blowing a gale. It's been torrential rain. We've been fishing for hours. This is day 4, I think, and we've caught a couple of sharks now. Matt caught a couple of sharks. I caught a small fish, but that's about it.
It's a cool, tight groove, I've been needing. Let the summer wind blow for the evening. I run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. When the light falls, you know what's up. Turn it up.
Hoda is on.
Turn it up until the night falls. I gotta run. I'm feeling so sunset, 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 sunset. I feel so brand new. I feel so brand new. So can we take it out? Can we take it out? Can we take it out? I feel so sunset, 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 sunset.
Super excited. I'm gonna get it up.
Thank God that I made it, this far. Man, it's feeling amazing. They wanna know who we are. Just a little vacation, so drop a pin in the stars. What a sight, ayy. Put the lightning in the jar. Vibing, roll.
We're on. Alright, we're on. Finally caught something. The donut's over. Alright. Feels like a decent fish. What it is though, we don't know.
Had a couple of hits, eh?
Yeah? Yeah, I just had the drag really loose and just thought I'd let it go. Alright, it's coming up now. Just gonna bring that so it doesn't get to the rocks. Oh, it's getting really close. What is it? It's a shark. All right. It's a shark. He's off. Sweet.
Alright, we're back at this old chestnut. It's pissing down with rain. Look at that wind and the rain there. But I'm getting some nibbles, so we'll see. Only small ones. Yeah, Matt's back in the car, but he's got a good setup. Put the rod in the back, in the boot. Protected himself, but I'm only I'm after the fish. I want to get something from this side. Yeah, got it. Yeah, we're on. Oh, feisty little one. Oh yeah. No, I reckon. But there we go. Okay, only a small one, but fine. Get it back in the water. Oh, really? Alright, he's jumping back in. Alright, there, off you go, little buddy. Yes, we are on the scoreboard. So apparently Matt was too busy filming me and teasing me on socials that he didn't see what I caught, because I have no idea what that fish was called, but I'm going to try and catch another one.
Okay, I'm going to try on this side. This is where Hoda was fishing before. Have a look. It's got some good structure here as well. It's like a sandy side. I'm just going to cast it out there. Oops. There we go. We got something on now. It doesn't feel too big, but it'd be good to see what's been taking the bait. So let's go. It's fighting good, isn't it? It's coming up a bit easier now. It's another shark. All that. You could tell it was a shark by the head shakes. That's the second shark now of the day. And that's all we have. Just going to throw that back. Alright, we're on, guys. Let's have a look. Feels like another shark, but oh no. What do we got here? It's an eel. And I'm getting wet. Well, snapped off on the rocks.
Oh, don't tell me it's stuck on a rock somewhere.
Call us crazy, but
We're back at Stokes
this is what we do.
Wharf. It's pouring rain, torrential, winds are bad, and we're still out.
Wait. Alright, we've hooked on. It's only tiny, whatever it is, so let's have a look. Just in time for that rain. Looks like a catfish.
Hang on, trying to take that in.
First fish, but not an ideal start. What did that take anyway? The squid.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's only small, I think. It's a tiny thing. What's that one? Alright guys, we're gonna call it a night. We're crazy, but we're not that crazy to risk our lives. There's a big thunderstorm happening right above us, so we've just called it. We're gonna pack up and try again tomorrow. Right guys, it's our last day here. And it's been, again, actually I think the worst that it's been so far. Torrential rains, damaging winds. I think the wind gusts have been in excess of like 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. We were gonna can the fishing today, but to be honest, we came here to catch some fish, and yes, we're nut jobs, we're gonna brave it again. But if it starts storming, we'd probably call it a day. So here's to some fishing. All right, something's going for it. Yes, we are on. Alright, let's see what we've got. This one feels a tad heavier than the one before. Let's just hope it's not a shark. Oh, What have we here? Foul hooked it. See guys? Try and get. Alright. Foul hooked it. Alright. Got one from underneath. The wharf here. That's what's been munching on me bait. Alright, settle. Try and get that one off. Feisty little one, that one. Alright. Oh, alright. Okay, there we go. Nice. Straight back in. Off you go. We've got a small piece of bait left. Feed that to the fish down there, see if we can catch one more, and that's it. Alright, we're on again. See if it's another batfish. Oh no. What's this one?
Oh, cobia.
Cobia?
Look at that.
Is it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Hoda's caught a very nice cobia. You.
Yeah.
There we go.
Guys, just caught this. Just gonna take a quick photo and then off it goes back into the water. Away it goes. See you later. And that's a wrap for this season. We're calling it quits on the fishing for now in Darwin, but it's time to join the rest of the crew. We're going to enjoy a delicious dinner and showcase what Darwin has to offer. We were fortunate enough to eat at Chow, and the laksa was, well, worth the award that it received. Well, if you're ever in Darwin, check out the waterfront. It has plenty to offer, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed. We indulged in a 7-course meal at Snapper Rocks, and boy was that delicious. Very unique menu and so well worth a visit if you're in Darwin next. The best on the menu tonight was the barramundi skewers with the Asian slaw. Well, we've come to the end of our trip to Northern Territory, to Darwin in particular. Unfortunately, no barramundi on the scoreboard, but we've caught plenty of other fish. However, look, I don't know about you, Matt, but super excited and keen to come back in the dry season to try again.
That's right. The weather wasn't on our side. We've had majority of the days were raining. We did come in the wet season, and they don't call it the wet season for no reason, but we still had fun, and look forward to coming back and giving you guys more of an experience in the dry season.
We're going to catch that barra next time.
Until next time, Fishos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See you then.